So, Aparthy hair growth serum is basically marketed as a way to support thicker, healthier-looking hair and reduce the appearance of thinning. The idea sounds appealing, but there are a few things the marketing may not emphasize. The biggest question is what actually causes your hair loss. A serum might improve the condition or appearance of your hair, but that doesn't mean it can fix every type of hair thinning or stimulate significant new growth. I'd also be careful with before and after photos and dramatic growth claims. Hair grows slowly, and results can vary depending on genetics, age, hormones, and the reason you're losing hair. So, is Aparthy hair growth serum worth buying? It could be worth trying as part of a hair care routine, but I wouldn't expect miracle results. Check the full ingredient list, evidence behind those ingredients, independent reviews, and the company's return policy before buying. Overall, I'd keep expectations realistic. If you're experiencing significant or sudden hair loss, figuring out the underlying cause is more important than relying on a cosmetic serum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.